All right, last one of the day. And since I was on trending, looking around, the Logan Paul one was the easy one to pick. But then I bumped into this absolute gem right here.
Okay.
And this is my first exposure to Grupo Firme, Hablemos, official video. This is also on trending number 25. It's got like 1.1 million views. And this is a music group that I had not encountered previously. And this whole video and this whole song, and I don't like to say this, but I don't have another way to phrase it. It's a vibe. And I didn't want to say that because, it gets overused. But this made me feel a way. This put me at ease.
Did it really?
This gave me hope. It was an absolute, look at the outfit over here, Will. Just one time I want you to show up to this show with that shirt. Just one time with the lion and the flowers.
Oh, okay.
And every guy in this video it's a group of guys around you, but just play a little bit. Play a little bit with the audio. Play a little bit with the audio, please. Tiny bit right here. Oh my goodness. He takes a drink. He's got the Michelob Ultra. Play a little bit more, Will. Yes. Yes. There's some kind of tuba in the background. They got a tuba and a full group of guys standing around the pool. And he's got this outfit over here. And he's feeling it emotionally. And they got a cooler full of Michelob Ultra. I hope they got a few dollars from that. But it is so casual. I feel like, I'm a fly on the wall. There's no walls out there because you're around the pool. But I feel like I could encounter such a thing and just fully become engulfed in the entire atmosphere. They've created an atmosphere here. It's no fancy effects or crazy type of music video. You know how music videos, it gets over the top and they try to make it as flashy as possible. There's no flash here. They set up. And the only thing that's flash is the outfit, but I feel like this guy can pull that outfit in real life. He might show up to the grocery store in that outfit. That's how comfy he looks in that outfit.
Are those Batman sandals?
I think it's probably some type of designer sandal, Will. How dare you?
Okay. It looks like the Batman.
Let us hear a little bit of it, Will. Come on. We can hear like 20 seconds, please. Come on, man. You got it. Oh, my goodness gracious. These people, you don't know. You got to play. Go a little bit more, please. Yes. Yes. Okay, we got it. See, I just needed you to hear the voice, Will. And I don't know if we're going to get the copyright on it, but this is, I'm promoting the song, so don't give me the copyright on it. I'm saying every so often, for every TikTok, for every exposure that gives you just some sort of pit in your stomach, every click you wish you had back, every dark moment, every hole, every vortex, all those times you find yourself at the end of an empty click, or worse than an empty click, a negative click where you were like, is that what it is now? Is that where we're at now? Is that 2021 now? And then every so often,
there's a surprise.
You bump into a Hablemos like this.
Yeah.
And I had a moment over there. I was sitting there reading the news and I had a moment over there.
You closed your eyes and felt the breeze.
You want to know what I did? I reached up to the keyboard where the volume was, and I tapped it twice to the upper direction.
Oh, that's rare.
So I just want to thank them for that, for putting together that entire mood right there. And I don't like to say it, vibe, mood, all these things. You better save that terminology when you need it. Don't say that everything is that. Don't tell me that just like one lazy meme gets that same description as this right here, because what they put together over there, that's what deserves it.
Well, There it is.
You don't have a wild card, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay, all right.
No. We good.